Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. We've partnered with Hitway again to bring you the BK17. It retails at £999, it's an offer at the moment, normally £1,500, but it's a really nice bike, dual batteries. Let's get straight into the review and see whether or not this bike is for you. So what stands this bike apart from the other Hitway bikes I've reviewed is it's got two lithium batteries. They're 48 volt, 13 amps. To put that in perspective, you can probably expect between 50 to 95 miles combined with both batteries. Now that's quite a lot of mileage, and when they're both empty, it takes 7 to 8 hours to charge, and both can be charged at the same time. So this is something Hitway's done really well on. So the batteries are both removable, so if you can't charge from an external 3-pin plug, you can bring the batteries inside and charge them in your flat or apartment. So the easiest way to do that is you're given two sets of keys. You put the key in the battery, and then you can just twist it to the unlock position here. So that is now to the unlock position. Once you've got it to the unlock position, all you need to do is lift from the bottom. Just one hand at the bottom, one hand at the top. And it's going to get a little bit of force to remove it. You'll hear it click, and then you can lift that up and take the battery out. And then you want to slide it back on, push down till you hear it click, and then twist it to the lock position so it's secure. And take the key out and put the key somewhere safe. Okay, so it's got a really nice LCD display here. I'll talk about what's on the display. So at the top we've got your battery percentage, and that shows the combined power you have between both batteries. So you can see I've roughly used about 20% battery life on the bike. Then coming down, we've got your miles per hour. That shows how fast you're riding at. And from the plus and minus button here, you can go up between the pedal assist mode. So I'll just demonstrate that on the display. So if you click the plus button, you can see where it says assist, it's going from 1 to 2 to 3. Now 3 will take you to 15.5 miles an hour, 2 about 12, and then 1 is about 10 miles an hour. Of course, you can use the pedaling power to go even faster than what the motor will assist you to go to. And finally, at the bottom, it shows the total mileage on the bike. So this bike is new to me, and I've only done 8 miles. So you can see we've got a nice Shimano 7-speed gear set here. I will demonstrate how you can just go up the gears and down the gears. So to go up the gears, you just simply press the plus button here. And that'll bring you up, and then to go down, just press this one and that will take you in. And you can see on the dial it's a 7-speed, so 1 to 7, so you can actually go to a higher gear, pedal, and this will bring you a lot quicker than the assisted speed of 15.5 miles an hour. So this electric bike is equipped with a 250 watt motor, and this generates a huge amount of torque, delivers strong power for quick acceleration and really smooth hill climbs. You can experience robust performance, and you can be confident on riding on any type of surface. So the mechanical disc brakes, in my opinion, they deliver consistent and powerful stopping performance. Whether you're riding in wet, dry or rugged terrain, you can ride confidently knowing that you can stop safely and quickly. Yep, so this features a high quality front fork suspension system, which absorbs bumps, and it provides a comfortable ride no matter what type of ground you're riding on. Really nice motorcycle design to it, and it's truly an eye catcher for other people out there. So it comes with 4-inch puncture resistant tyres. Now this offers fantastic surface contact with the ground. It provides improved balance and stability over the other Hitway bikes. And you can ride with confidence knowing your tyres are designed to prevent punctures on rough terrains. Really nice. So we've got a nice matte black finish on both front and rear mudguards for the nice 4-inch tyres. This just stops any of the mud splatting up your backside and keeps the bike itself clean on the main frame. So each wheel is equipped with 2 reflectors. Now this enhances your visibility from multiple angles. This can ensure that you're more noticeable to other road users, especially in poor conditions or low light conditions. So this bike has a really strong headlight. It's a dual headlight at the front. It's really bright, gives you good visibility. It's not dark at the moment, so we can't demonstrate it, but can assure you that you can definitely see and stand out from other bikes on the market with this front light. So the powerful rear light will ensure you're visible to others, and it provides extra safety when riding in low light conditions. You can stay seen and secure even on the darkest of roads. So we've got a nice durable matte black stand where you can leave your bike resting, so you don't have to lean it or put it down on the floor. So as you can see, it's nice and secure, it's not going anywhere. It's a great feature. Very much for taking the time to watch the Hitway BK17 review. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Subscribe, like, and a link to the product will be in the description. They're currently on offer for £999. They do retail for £1,500, so I recommend you taking advantage of this offer and going to buy this fantastic piece of kit for the discounted price. Yeah. Was that such a lie? Fantastic bit of kit. Apparently